Problem 18. The faces of each of two fair die are numbered 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. Be very careful when you read that. It's not 6. It's not 4, 5, 6. When the two die are tossed, what is the probability that their sum will be an even number? So just give yourself a few examples and see what are the possible cases for when the sum of two numbers gives an even number. If I were to have 2 plus 4, that obviously gives me an even number. What about 1 plus 4? Well, that's 5. And what is 1 plus 3? Well, that's equal to 4. The reason why I did this is because I want to demonstrate to you the methodology of how I find patterns within questions. When I sum an even number with an even number, I get an even number. When I sum an odd number with an even number, I get an odd number. When I sum an odd number with an odd number, I get an even number. So in other words, when I need to sum two numbers of the same type to get an even number. So in this case, we just have two cases to consider, right? The first case being both faces, right, are even, right? Or two faces, right, are odd. So let's consider the first case. This is case 1, this is case 2. For case 1, what is the probability that the two faces are even? Well, from 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8, I have 1, I have 2. I only have 2 even numbers here. And there's 3 total numbers, so 2 over 6 for the first die, and 2 over 6 for the second die. That's equal to 1/3 squared, which is equal to 1 over 9. So with this, we also know case 2. Case 2 here is both faces are odd. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 odd numbers, so that's 4 over 6 squared. So that's equal to 2 over 3 squared, which is equal to 4 over 9. We're doing casework here, so we must sum both cases. 1 over 9 plus 4 over 9 gives 5 over 9, bringing you to answer choice C.